When it comes to improving your home in East Northport, few upgrades have as much impact as a properly installed door. A new entry, patio, or interior door can enhance your property's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. However, even the best quality doors can fail to perform if installed incorrectly. Homeowners often underestimate how precise door installation must be, and a few common mistakes can lead to drafts, leaks, and costly repairs later on. Here are some of the most frequent door installation mistakes homeowners in East Northport make, along with expert tips to help you avoid them. Incorrect measurements. The most common door installation issue starts before the installation even begins: inaccurate measurements. Measuring a door frame might seem straightforward, but even a fraction of an inch off can result in gaps, difficulty closing the door, or a poor seal. How to avoid it? Always measure the width, height, and depth of the existing frame at multiple points. Homes in East Northport, especially older ones, may have shifted over time, creating uneven door openings. It's wise to double-check measurements and, when in doubt, have a professional installer verify them. A precise fit ensures proper alignment and long-lasting performance. Skipping the level and plumb check. Doors must be perfectly level and plumb, vertically straight, to function properly. If a door leans even slightly, it can swing open or closed on its own, rub against the frame, or leave gaps that allow drafts to enter. How to avoid it? Use a quality level to confirm that both the door frame and the door itself are even. If your home has settled, as many in East Northport's coastal climate have, shims can help adjust for minor unevenness. Proper leveling ensures a tight seal and smooth operation for years to come. Neglecting proper sealing and insulation. Doors are a major point of air exchange between indoors and outdoors. Without proper sealing, you may experience drafts, higher energy bills, and moisture damage. How to avoid it? Always install weather stripping around the door perimeter and apply expanding foam insulation sparingly between the frame and wall. Make sure to seal thresholds and use exterior-grade caulk where necessary. This is especially important in East Northport, where seasonal temperature changes and coastal humidity can affect door materials. Using the wrong fasteners. Not all screws and nails are created equal. Many homeowners use standard drywall or short wood screws that fail to anchor the frame securely into the wall studs. This can lead to movement, sagging, or even the door pulling away from the frame over time. How to avoid it? Use long, corrosion-resistant screws, preferably 3 inches or longer, that penetrate the wall studs. Stainless steel fasteners are a smart choice for East Northport homeowners, as they resist rust from humid coastal air. Ignoring local climate factors. East Northport experiences humid summers, cold winters, and salty air, all of which can affect door performance. Wooden doors may swell, while metal ones can corrode without proper finishes. How to avoid it? Choose materials suited to local conditions. Fiberglass and composite doors are excellent options for their resistance to warping and moisture. If you prefer the warmth of natural wood, select a door with a durable sealant and commit to regular maintenance. A local professional familiar with East Northport's weather patterns can help you make the best choice. Overlooking professional help. DIY door installation might seem like a money saver, but a small mistake can lead to long-term issues. A misaligned door can affect insulation, security, and even home value. How to avoid it? If you're uncertain about your skills or lack the right tools, hire a qualified East Northport door installation expert. Local professionals understand building codes, weatherproofing standards, and the nuances of working with different materials. The investment in professional installation often pays off in performance and peace of mind. Final thoughts. A well-installed door provides beauty, comfort, and efficiency, but only if done right. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with trusted East Northport installers, homeowners can ensure their doors look great, operate smoothly, and stand the test of time. Whether you're upgrading your front entry or adding a patio door, attention to detail makes all the difference.